New to Pinterest and want to learn more about it? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll explain what Pinterest is and how it works. Now let's get started. Pinterest is a platform that helps you find and organize ideas. These idea posts are referred to as pins. Pins can take the form of photos, videos, GIFs, and more, and can be about almost any topic. On Pinterest, you'll find pins on everything from food to fashion to life hacks. These pins are categorized and stored on boards. Think of it as a virtual bulletin board, where you have a different one for each category of pins you'd like to save. There are many different uses for Pinterest, from finding recipes to try, getting home decor inspiration, to travel ideas, memes, and more. If you own a business, you can also use Pinterest as a way to advertise and connect with new customers. You can sign up for a Pinterest account completely for free and get started creating your own boards about whatever topics you're interested in. Once you've created a board, you can begin adding pins. You can search Pinterest to find existing pins about this topic that other users have created, or create your own pins from scratch by importing images and adding descriptions and related information. You can use Pinterest on the desktop website at pinterest.com or download the mobile app for your Android, iPhone, or tablet. To learn more about using Pinterest, check out our full playlist of Pinterest tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.